Hello everyone and welcome back to another Marble Snap guide. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your game overall level within the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and after playing a first few matches, then at the very beginning you will start from level 0. And as you compete and win in more and more matches, you will get more credits which you can use in order to upgrade your cards. And this is the only way by which you can level up. To upgrade your cards, you can collect your credit from the shop, which allows you to collect a free credit every 4 hours. Alternatively, you can also complete various daily missions as well as season pass missions. Whenever you complete a mission, you will see a notification at your homepage. You can just click on it and then tap on the completed mission to acquire the reward. When you get your experience and reward, you can use these credits to upgrade your card. Go into the collection section and then tap on whichever card has an upgrade available. You will see a green upgrade animation. Then just tap on the upgrade icon and then use your resources in order to upgrade. This will now give you the reward and increase your collection level. You can also see the number of collection level increase you will receive while making each upgrade. And through this process, you will be able to increase your collection level and unlock more and more cards as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to increase your level on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.